In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a case in Salesforce Support. This process can be a little tricky if you're unfamiliar with the platform, so I'm here to walk you through the steps one at a time. Whether you're experiencing a technical glitch or just need some assistance, submitting a case is a simple and effective way to get the help you need from Salesforce's dedicated support team. So let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to the Salesforce Help homepage. This is your go-to destination for any questions you might have about utilizing Salesforce's wealth of features. To get to this page, simply open your web browser and visit help.salesforce.com. Here, you'll find a plethora of resources that are designed to help you make the most out of Salesforce, including articles, forums, and of course, the option to contact their support team. Next, let's locate the support section. Once you're on the Salesforce Help homepage, look for the Support option, typically found in the navigation menu or as a prominent button. Clicking on this will set you on the right path towards submitting your case. The support section is a vital part of the page as it serves as the bridge between you and the Salesforce support team. Now that you're in the support section, it's time to access the Agent Or's Help, where you can begin the process of outlining your issue. Click on Agent Or's Help to proceed. Here you have the opportunity to type out a detailed description of your concern or issue. It's crucial to provide as much specific information as possible. Include details such as any error messages you're encountering, the steps that led you to the problem, and any troubleshooting measures you've already tried. The more detail you give, the easier it will be for the Salesforce support team to understand and address your problem. Remember, when outlining your concern, clarity is key. Think about it as if you're explaining the issue to someone who's not looking over your shoulder. They need to visualize what you're dealing with through your words. Adding attachments or screenshots can further clarify your problem, so don't hesitate to use those options if available. And there you have it, the streamlined way to submit a case in Salesforce Support. With these steps, you'll be able to effectively communicate your issues and get tailored assistance from the support team. By taking the time to clearly outline your problem, you're ensuring a quicker and more precise resolution. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video simplifies your Salesforce experience. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore more of our content or reach out. Happy navigating!